We'll start our chicken Alfredo by crushing some garlic cloves that we heat in the pan with clarified butter, and then we butterfly 2 chicken breasts. We apply salt and pepper and an Italian Tuscan spice blend and cook through.
The kitchen smells absolutely amazing when you process garlic this way, with clarified butter. We'll return the chickens when the Alfredo sauce is ready, but you can keep them warm in a preheated oven for a few minutes.
Next, let's salt some boiling water and get the fettuccine started, while we melt some butter with olive oil. Take about 2 cups of heavy cream and the same volume of Parmigiano Reggiano and blend together on low heat. We want to be very careful not to break the sauce. We want a nice creamy consistency. If it gets too thick, you can add some pasta water.
Now let's add the fettuccine into the creamy Alfredo sauce. Adjust as necessary with either more Parmigiano Reggiano or more cream or added pasta water. You want the consistency to be perfect before you add back the chicken. We recommend that you do not add salt or pepper here so we don't interfere with the cheese.
Well, we are almost at the finish line. Sprinkle your favorite herbs such as oregano or parsley, break open a nice Italian bottle of wine, and indulge in this fantastic food with your family and friends. Truly simple and amazing.
This is the first of our Alfredo trilogy, dating back to Alfredo's restaurant in Italy in 1914. If you enjoy our recipes, please subscribe. We'll see you again soon. Bye now.